Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss. Never put a futures position on without a stop-loss order in place.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Well, we got trades for 5/9/07 Wednesday. If you were with us yesterday, we stayed short overnight coming into yesterday's trading. I said be nimble, you got to be fast here. The markets came off. We covered NASDAQ at 01, 01.5, 1901, 01.5. We were short at 1912. We covered the S&P, which we were short at 1514 or right around there. We covered those at 1507.5. The market got down to 1505.5 and took off for new highs. Talk about being nimble. Go Omni. Nimble worked. Sticking to our plan worked. When the market came off, I had planned on getting out. I got out right there, and that was our chance. Sticking to your guns is the best advice I can give you for getting through these trades and winning, or at least trading successfully. So let's see what we got for tomorrow. ESM7 or the SPM7, the mini or the large S&P resistance, 1511 to 1512. For you guys that are following me, we're trading right there in the zone. Put your orders in, get yourself short right in this area, 1511, 1512. Omni turns neutral if it gets above 1517.25. For our trading guys, that's a little stop. That tells me market's either ready to flip and go down, or they're going to take us out and we're going to run. Stop is tight, not a whole lot of risk on this trade. So jump in this one, see what happens. Omni's profit objective, 14.99 on the downside, with a little support expected at 1503. As always, be out by the close on any trade. Don't forget, support's 1503. We're looking to sell around 1511 to 1512. If it gets above 1517 in the quarter, we're out. And we're looking for 14.99 on the downside. In the NASDAQ, ENM7 resistance is 1905 to 1906. We're trading about 1903 currently. Omni turns neutral if we get above 1915.75. Omni's profit objective is 1881. Nice trade if we can get it. Or be out MOC. Don't forget, we're looking for some support on the way down at 1888. So again, we're selling the 1905, 1906 area. It turns neutral if we get above 1915.75. Omni's profit objective is 1881 or be out by the close with some support at 1888. Okay, very interesting. It is FOM-C Wednesday. Watch out, Federal Open Market Committee. They can do anything to these markets, but Omni says don't expect much volatility out of this move. It's already been priced into markets. It seems that the markets have already made their moves and expect what we expect, which is not much from the Fed. So let's see what's going to happen with that. My work says don't worry about the Fed, don't worry about reports, get in there and take your trade. I do think, though, that the report could change the outcome of our trade, but hey, I never really worry about that. I just take my trades and we let these markets go where they're going to go. Okay? Just wanted to say, so far, so good. We have been doing really, really well with this Omni. We've been long all the way up. Then we sold it pretty much at the highs on Monday, rode it into Tuesday, got out at the lows or just about the lows. Omni, Omni, Omni. I mean, what else can we say? This thing's been fantastic. I know if you guys are following me, you got to be in agreement with that. I'm going to put up a chart now. I want you to take a look at it. Quick illustration of what the S&P has done lately. I'll show you where we are now, why. As always, I tell you, be nimble with your trading if you're looking to be counter-trend trading. Let's take a look at the chart. We'll go from there. Here's the chart I was referring to. It's the June S&P daily bar. Each bar represents 1 day's movement. If you guys have been following me, Omni has had us long all week last week. We bought again. We had 1 day where we had buy signals, but we missed getting in by $1.50 to $2 on the low. We were right for being long on that day. Then we got a sell signal. I immediately gave you guys the sell. We were short Sunday night into Monday, Monday into Tuesday. Boom, we caught the downside. So it was Omni says buy, 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 buy. Omni says sell. The market goes up 4 days. Omni says sell. It goes down 2 days. What? Go figure. Who knew? this Omni has just been fantastic. But it was just a brief illustration to show you how well we bounced off the support, and we talked about this, and I've shown you these charts before. We bounced off the line, we made a new high, and then I said, if you guys have been trading with me, I think I mentioned this in yesterday's video, for you guys that have been trading with me for a while, you know that there are characteristics that I know of and I see in this S&P, and I see one telling us we're going down. So get short with me, and boom, boom. People got short, we made some money. I am not getting bearish here. I am just trading. I'm not a bull nor a bear. I am just a trader. Every day is a new day to me. But the long-term trend has been intact on the bullish side. So if you have to be any-minded with the S&P, you are long-term bullish-minded. On a daily basis, it's anybody's day. I say tomorrow we head down again, and then we'll see what happens. I'm short already. Let's see what gives. So you've seen the chart. You see Omni has been dead on. What can I say? Hey, go Omni, everybody. What do you say about Omni?
Go Omni.
The cows are still with me. I believe in my Omni, you cows. We'll see what happens. All right, so that's about all we have. What's the countdown to the Mandalay Bay?
6 days.
6 days to Mandalay Bay. I'm out of here in 2 days. I hope to see you guys down there. It's May 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th in Vegas at the Mandalay Bay. There's still time to shoot me emails if you're going to come down. Oscar at, well, what is that email address? It's oscarinvegas@gmail.com, right? Yeah, baby. Shoot me an email at oscarinvegas@gmail.com if you're coming down. I am so excited about this, guys. I can't wait. You can always call me at any time here. You know what? Let's step back for a minute. Those flash updates were really important today, guys. You need to be on my flash updates database. There's no way for you to be able to get out as quickly as I noticed turning points and times to get out unless you're on my flash updates database. To do that, kindly go to futurestraders.com, fill out a free registration form, and put you on the flash updates database automatically, and this way when I'm going to get out of a trade, you guys find out about it right away. We have something else that I'd like to show you. If this phone's up and running, I wanted to show you what we can do right now. For you guys who are with me and trade every one of my trades, you realize that the emails have been a little bit slow the last 24 hours. They're still slow at the moment. What we can do, though, is if you simply take your cell phone, Mikey, zoom in on this. Let them see what we have. If you have a PDA or any cell phone with MSM capability, MSM, is that it, guys? SMS?
It's just regular web.
SMS. Just SMS capabilities or regular web capability, you will have the Omni right here in your pocket as you walk around, and all you have to do is refresh like you would at my site, and you'll get the flash updates right in your pocket. So until we get those flash updates working in the database is working for the emails, which should be in the next few hours, take a look at your phones if you guys got to step away from the computers. Otherwise, just hit refresh. You know those flash updates are always on that site, so don't forget about that. When you're at my YouTube spot, www.youtube.com/futuresanalyst, hit the subscribe button. That will enable you to get the videos the moment I put them out. And again, we put those videos right at futurestraders.com the moment they're shot, so you can always see them there, probably before you can even see them at YouTube. Mikey, you like me to mention that email address all the time, so we'll get that from Bob. What do you got for an email address, Bob?
Oscar@futuresanalysts.com.
Send me an email at oscar@futuresanalysts.com. I get back to all my emails. Mikey, anything else you want me to say? I want to get back there and trade. I'm in these markets right now.
You got everything covered.
We got everything covered. Don't forget, come see me at Mandalay Bay. Keep your emotions at bay. Ladies and gentlemen, I get a little excited in front of this camera. I have fun with this. When those markets are open, I don't budge. I am so relaxed. I am so calm. You will never see me panic or cancel replays for no reason. It's just not part of trading. It's not part of my trading mentality, and it shouldn't be part of yours. Keep your emotions out of your trading. Always, always place your stops first. If you have an error, get right out. If you bought one by accident, sell one, get you flat, and then think about what you need to do. Don't panic. Never panic. Panic is not an emotion that should have anything to do with trading the S&Ps. When the two of those meet, the wallet gets emptied. Comes right out of the back pocket. So don't panic. Okay. I say this in every video. I have a lot of fans out there that are writing to me. They tell me they say this all the time. You go, guys. I want you to say this. And when we're in Vegas, I want you guys to chant this with me when I'm doing my seminars, and I'm sure you will. And everyone knows what that is by now. Stops are in, emotions are out. I received a letter. You know, this site is really based on doing good, helping people, helping newcomers and professional traders alike. You guys, you newcomers, and you guys have been doing this for a long time. You see the validity in this work. You see that we're all over these markets. No need for me to explain to you that, you know, we're professionals at what we do. We're very good at what we do here. Can we call the markets right every day? Nobody can. But we're kind of good at what we do. Our average is extremely high. If you look back at those videos for the last 110 videos, you compare them with the flash updates, you will see that we got something going here. We are very, very positive as far as our winning percentage. I received a letter from a gentleman that I've met a couple of times. He's come to my office. He sends me emails every day. He's a great guy. I just wanted to read this letter out. Oscar, I just got word in May 2007 the sale of my small car business will be completed. Congratulations, Nick. I know you're busy with the Vegas trip coming up, but I remembered our conversation about working for you. Okay, I'm glad you remember that. It's been a month and a half. I wanted just to throw my hat in the ring. I still can set up seminars for you, but I am very interested in the position of placing orders and handling clients for you. I hope we can discuss this further when you retire. Well, Nick, we can certainly discuss that, but the basis of reading this letter is what you wrote to me next, and hey, my heart goes to you. Also, I started trading a very small account for a non-profit that helps kids with cancer. Nicholas, when it comes to kids, I mean, my heart melts. I am so for the children. So God bless you and what you're doing here. This is fantastic. He goes on to say, I am only using your recommendations for that account. I am hoping if we do well, I can raise more interest for what you do and for the fund. Well, I hope I can help you make millions and millions of dollars for these children. You know, that's one of the best letters I have ever received. That's one of the best things that I can say my site has done so far. We're actually helping a fund with children with cancer. Nicholas, all the power to you. I will help you in any way to help that fund work. Okay? Shout out to you, Nicholas. Thank you very much. Just wanted to get that letter out. Fantastic, Nicholas. Keep up the great work.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.